In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put Waze to sleep. So grab your iPhone and let's go through this together like you're doing it right now. Start by opening the Waze app on your phone. Once it opens, give it a moment to load until you're on the main map screen and you can see your current location clearly. Now look up at the top left corner of the screen and tap on the menu icon. This opens up the main Waze menu where you'll find different options and shortcuts. Take a second here to let the menu fully open so everything is visible. When the menu is open, scroll all the way down toward the bottom. You'll see an option called Sleep Mode. Go ahead and tap on Sleep Mode. As soon as you do that, Waze will go into sleep mode right away. Once Waze is in sleep mode, the app basically pauses itself. It won't track your location, give navigation instructions, or run actively in the background. The map will dim and you'll see that Waze is no longer actively working. This is really helpful if you're done driving, taking a break, or you just don't want Waze using GPS or battery anymore without fully closing the app. Sleep mode is especially useful if you plan to open Waze again soon, but don't want it doing anything in the background. Instead of force closing the app or ending everything completely, sleep mode gives you a quick way to pause it while keeping the app ready. Now, when you're ready to use Waze again, waking it up is just as easy. While Waze is in sleep mode, look at the screen and you'll see a button that says Wake Up. Go ahead and tap on Wake Up. As soon as you do that, Waze will come back to life, reload the map, and start working normally again. Once Waze wakes up, you can search for a destination, start navigation, or use the app just like you normally would. There's no delay and no need to restart the app. It picks up right where it left off. This feature is really handy if you're stopping briefly, like grabbing food, waiting in your car, or taking a short break during a long drive. Instead of closing the app and reopening it later, you can just put it to sleep and wake it up when you're ready to go again. Keep in mind that sleep mode is different from force closing the app. When Waze is asleep, it's still open but inactive. If you want Waze completely off your phone, you'd need to end navigation and force close it using the app switcher. But for quick pauses, sleep mode is usually the better and faster option. Also, if you accidentally put Waze to sleep and think the app isn't working anymore, don't worry, it's not broken. Just look for the wake up button and tap it to bring everything back. You can use sleep mode anytime, whether you're navigating or just viewing the map. It doesn't delete anything, change settings, or affect your saved places or routes. It simply pauses the app until you're ready to use it again. So just to go over it one more time in a smooth, natural flow, you open Waze, tap the menu on the top left, scroll down, and tap sleep mode to put Waze to sleep. And whenever you want to start using it again, just tap wake up. And that's it, that's how you put Waze to sleep on your iPhone. It's a simple feature, but once you know where it is, it makes managing the app a lot easier and helps save battery when you're not actively navigating.